For signs that include the access point and client setup, this is where you receive two antennas, one that connects to the sign and the other one for the PC. Then you're going to receive a few more components. First, you'll have the second antenna. You'll also have a PoE adapter. And notice it's labeled LAN on one port, PoE on the second port. And you will receive two Ethernet cables. In this case, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to connect one of those Ethernet cables to the WAN/PoE port in the antenna. So go ahead and get that connected. Then we're going to connect that end connected to the WAN, WAN/PoE, to the PoE port on your adapter. Then we're going to connect the second cable to the LAN port on your adapter. Once you've connected the LAN port on the adapter, then the next port is going to be connected to your computer. So go ahead and connect that to the LAN port of your PC. And then finally, we'll plug the adapter into an available outlet.